In this video, I will show you how to use and manage the autocorrect feature in Outlook on the web. This tool helps improve your writing efficiency by automatically identifying and correcting spelling errors as you type. Right now, I have Outlook open. Whether you are replying to an existing message or composing a brand new email, Outlook provides the option to use autocorrect. This feature is particularly useful because it saves time and reduces the need to manually correct spelling mistakes throughout your message. In the example I am working with, you can see that the word welcome is spelled incorrectly. The system has highlighted the mistake because autocorrect is already enabled on my account. That is why the spelling issue is immediately flagged. If autocorrect is not enabled for you, do not worry. I will show you exactly where to find the setting and how to turn it on so that Outlook can assist you with spelling and formatting automatically. Next, go to the Options button located at the top of your screen and click on Options. The first item you will see is Editor. Select it, and then choose Editor Settings to access the full set of proofing tools. Once you open Editor Settings, a dialog box will appear. Here, you will find the option to enable autocorrect. Make sure this setting is turned on. You can also enable auto capitalization if you prefer Outlook to automatically capitalize the beginning of your sentences. All the available proofing options are displayed in this panel, allowing you to customize the writing experience based on your needs. After adjusting the settings, click OK to save your changes. With autocorrect now enabled, we can go back and correct the misspelling in the message. The highlighted word is incorrect, so click on it. When you do, a small suggestion box will appear, showing possible corrections. You can simply choose the spelling you want from that list. When you click on Editor Options, this will bring up a detailed editor window where you can view all available suggestions. In this example, there is only one suggestion for this particular spelling error. From here, review the corrections presented. In my message, the first suggestion is the correct one, so I will select it. As soon as I do, the red underline disappears, confirming that the mistake has been corrected. You will now see 0 suggestions, which means everything in the message has been resolved. And that is how autocorrect and spelling correction work in Outlook on the web.